Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can fix YouTube not showing comments. So if you're using YouTube app whether on Android mobile or iPhone mobile, if there is a glitch like when you're playing some YouTube video on your mobile and you're not able to see comments, then you can fix by doing some troubleshooting steps. I'll show you can follow one by one. The first thing you need to do is open Play Store app if it is Android mobile or App Store if it is iPhone. Just search for YouTube app. There is a update available. Just update this and see here. For me, it is open, so the app is up to date. So no need to update. For example, if there is update option for you, just update it, and by updating match, the problem gets solved. So if the problem still persists, you can do one thing, just restart your mobile and open YouTube and check for whether you logged into your account or not. Click on the library and see at right top corner, this is the profile picture. So I have already logged into my YouTube account. So if you haven't logged into your YouTube account, just press on that area here. YouTube app will now ask you to sign in, so better you sign in with Gmail account what you have. So if the problem still persists and you are unable to read the comments, you can just clear YouTube cache. To do that, press and hold on YouTube app and click on this I symbol here, which is info symbol, and here you can click on storage usage and click on clear cache. So by doing this also, your problem gets solved. If it is iPhone, it will be somewhere at the general settings and iPhone storage, and then you need to find YouTube app, and then you need to offload data and reinstall the app, and that gets work. And if all of these options are not working for you, you can check for the other option which will be available on YouTube. Make sure that is disabled. Open your YouTube app and click on this library option, click on your profile picture at right top corner, and then click on settings here, and then click on general settings here, and make sure this restricted mode is turned off. It is, if it is available, there may be chances that YouTube filter may work and you may not see some comments. So just turn this or disable this off so that your problem gets solved. Just restart your mobile once and see whether you can read comments now. By doing all these troubleshooting steps, I hope and wish that YouTube comments are not showing on your mobile may be fixed. And thanks. One last thing you have to notice, if the YouTube video uploader disable the comments for that video, you won't be able to see any comments, but you'll see something like comments have been disabled on this video. So please do note this.